So guys, I've just arrived in 79 AD, Pompeii. I've wanted to visit this city for the longest time, and we are finally here for exploring it and real experience. Really, it's loud, it's colorful, it's nothing like what the textbooks show you. Now let's explore and experience the Pompeii in 79 AD.
You there! You're blocking the cart!
Sorry. All right, survive the traffic. Now it's time for the real adventure. Let's explore the market and see what daily life in Pompeii actually looks like. This is Market, the heart of Pompeii. Look at this place. Fresh bread, fruit, pottery, people everywhere. I don't actually have any Roman coins on me, so this could get interesting.
No coins? Then what do you have to trade?
Honestly, I wasn't expecting that question.
Give me a second. Here, try one. Best fruit in all of Pompeii.
Some would say the entire empire. You're just giving it to me?
You'll understand after the first bite.
Okay, wow. That's actually incredible.
Told you.
You know what? I still don't have any Roman coins.
But would you trade for this?
I've never seen anything like it.
Deal.
Wait, seriously? I'll take that. Fresh bread, olives, fruit, and this fried thing. No one knows its name. Honestly, everything here tastes amazing. Now, let's go figure out how this money works. One thing I've started noticing is that nobody seems to have fixed prices around here. Every single purchase turns into a negotiation. It's a little exhausting, but honestly, kind of brilliant. What surprises me most is the energy here. Nobody seems rushed, but nobody's standing still either. Somehow it all just works.
You don't look like you're from around here.
Is it really that obvious?
Let's just say your clothes gave it away. If you're interested in seeing the real Pompeii, come with me.
The real Pompeii?
Trust me. By the way, I'm Lucius, and if you're seeing Pompeii for the first time, you're about to see a side of it most visitors never do.
That sounds either very promising or very concerning.
Promising.
All right then, lead the way.
We're here.
Wait, this is your house?
One of them.
One of them? Okay, I thought ancient buildings were all.
Only after they've been sitting around for centuries.
So you're telling me ancient Pompeii colorful?
Very.
I am learning a lot today. Hold on, is that a pool?
Of course.
Inside your house?
Naturally.
I think Lucius and I have very different definitions of normal. Okay, serious question. What do people actually do for fun around here?
Depends. Some enjoy the baths.
Some enjoy the markets. Most enjoy the amphitheater.
Go on, try it.
This feels incredibly lazy and surprisingly comfortable.
Now you're beginning to understand.
I could absolutely get used to this. Okay, that's another marble column. And another. How much marble does one person actually need? More than that.
Looks like duty is calling. Stay as long, my home is yours for the afternoon.
Wait, you're really trusting me to wander around?
That is an incredible amount of trust. You'll enjoy your side.
Okay, that's incredible. Oh, come on. Every single room in this place has something I want to film. I genuinely don't know where to point the camera first. Wait, Lucius left this here. Apparently this gets me into the public baths, which sounds like exactly the kind of thing I should investigate. All right, public baths, how hard can it be to find one building? Actually, every street here looks exactly the same. I may have underestimated this.
First visit?
Is it really that obvious?
You spent the last minute staring at the entrance.
Fair enough.
Before you go in, one thing you should know.
That sounds important.
The changing areas are shared, no private rooms.
That would have been useful information about 30 seconds ago.
You'll get used to it.
Wow, these Roman baths are incredible.
Welcome. Just remember, men and women.
Men and women bathe together here. Well, that is definitely a unique custom.
That doesn't look too bad. Oh! That is significantly colder than expected. Nobody warned me. Not one person. All right, we've already come this far. No turning back now. Oh, wow. This was definitely a mistake. I think I get it. This isn't really about the water. It's about the people. Everyone's meeting friends, sharing news, catching up. It's basically the center of city life. Now that's interesting. Okay, this is definitely different. Apparently this is a popular style here in Pompeii. Honestly, it's surprisingly comfortable. Be honest, how's the Roman look? Rated out of 10. Oh, Now this is more like it. Warm, comfortable, no risk of freezing to death. I definitely should have started here. Live and learn. Wait, the amphitheater? So apparently, something's happening at the amphitheater today. It's a pretty big deal. The strange part is nobody's actually told me what it is. Okay, that's bigger than I expected.
Okay, smaller than I expected, a lot louder than I expected though. And judging by this crowd, I've definitely arrived at the right place. Now let's see what everyone is so excited about.
Is it always this busy?
Not always, but today you picked a very good day.
That's exactly the kind of answer that raises more questions.
You'll see soon enough.
Okay, the energy in here is unreal. Everyone's completely focused. And now I'm invested too. I think we're about to find out. Okay, at first I thought this was some kind of training demonstration, but judging by the crowd and how serious everyone suddenly looks, this is definitely not a rehearsal. Well, I guess we're doing this. Well, an experience. I won't pretend I enjoyed every part of it, but I also couldn't stop watching now why this place draws such huge crowds. Wait, there's more?
Citizens of Pompeii, we have a victor!
Everyone here is absolutely loving this. All right, I think that's enough excitement for one afternoon. Well, that escalated quickly. I came here expecting a normal afternoon. Instead, I got markets and whatever that was. I think that's enough excitement for one day. Okay, honestly, even the surprise. This city is everything I hoped it would be. Yeah, this was a good day. The city's finally starting to slow down. It's amazing how different it feels compared to this morning. Look at that. The lamps are coming even more beautiful. Looks like I'm finally back on my...
Welcome back. I was beginning to wonder where the city had taken you. Did you find everything you wanted to see?
And somehow even more than I expected.
Then come, you'll have to tell me about it. So, what did you think of today's games?
Intense.
That's one way to describe
Probably the most unforgettable thing I've seen all day.
them. A very common first reaction. What was your favorite part of the city?
That's not a fair question. Felt completely different.
Try anyway.
The market was incredible. The baths were an experience.
Pompeii. It's getting late. Let me show you your room. This room is yours for the night. I hope you'll be comfortable here.
Wow. Bad for a place I wasn't expecting to stay in. Thank you, Lucius.
I think I'm going to sleep very well tonight.
What a day. I thought I was just visiting another ancient city, felt alive. Every story surprised me. A day like this.
This place is nothing like I imagined. The streets had its own story. If today was this incredible. Good night, Pompeii. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's journey through Pompeii. And if you've stayed with me until this moment, thank you. Did it actually make you feel like you were walking? If you're still here, I'd love to hear your honest thoughts, good or bad. Every comment helps me make the next adventure even better. And if you love traveling through history, come join Zoe.